Hi, my name is Jared. I first came to Angel Longevity Medical Center when I was experiencing random bouts of panic attack and anxiety out of nowhere. And historically, I've never had any issues with anything like that, as well as a lot of stomach issues. Bloating, pressure, acid reflux, things that I've never experienced in my life because I've never had any sort of chronic illness. It worried me to the point where I had to go to the ER because I was getting a bunch of weird symptoms that I haven't normally felt. Now, I've never been sick in my life. I've never had any sort of chronic symptom or anything like that. And so it kind of came out of nowhere and surprised me. So of course I was afraid. I went to a primary care doctor, and my primary care, after multiple visits, just told me it was IBS and take Prilosec or Nexium for the rest of your life because that gets rid of the symptoms. I didn't like that answer. So I discovered Angel Longevity Medical Center through my girlfriend. Actually, she actually found it for me just on an internet search. We came here just because it was something different. It was something out of the box, and it was a different, holistic way to look at the problems that I was experiencing, especially the anxiety, which was crippling at times. And I met with everybody here, and walking through the door, I was met by a woman named Alicia, and she was smiling and really happy, and it was the first experience I had. So right out of the gate, it was a very pleasant experience. And so I met with Dr. Mathur, and it was an extensive program that was given to me, and it's based all in testing, and it's all based in data, and it's all accurate. And I went through a blood test, a hair test, you name it, and I discovered some really interesting things about my body that I had no idea, allergies that I didn't even realize were present in my body. And after discussing with the doctor, we came up with a very good program on how to deal with it based on supplements and IV therapy. I did some vitamin C IV therapy, and it was wonderful. I'm not a fan of needles personally, and they made it so easy for me, and it was very comfortable. And, taking supplements for my acid reflux and my GERD, and taking supplements for everything I was deficient in that we discovered in my blood test and my hair test and everything else. I can say that after suffering from chronic GERD and acid reflux, after 1 month, it's essentially gone. So I highly recommend this place.